Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to make some chicken salad. This is one of my favorite recipes. I always say that, but it is a very good recipe. In front of you, I have a half a lemon, celery, onion. I have 1 ounce of walnuts, 2 chicken breasts here, sea salt, pepper, yellow mustard, mayo, and I'm gonna add a little pepper flakes to this recipe. So let me get that out. Now the pepper flakes are optional, so it's up to you if you want to add some spice into this recipe. But we love spicy food, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it in the recipe. So let me get started. I'm gonna chop up the chicken, the celery, and the onion, and I'll get right back to you. I forgot to mention the pickles. So there they are, and we'll go ahead and chop those up. These are some homemade sweet pickles that I made for this keto chicken salad. Okay, just so you know. All right. Okay, I'm gonna add the chicken. Add just a pinch of pepper flakes. I'm gonna add the garlic. I chopped up the nuts. Celery. The sweet keto pickles I made. This is a chopped up onion. And I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the lemon juice in here. It's a half a lemon. Okay. Some chicken here on the counter. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of prepared mustard. Oops. So let me mix it up. Those 2 breasts made a lot of chicken salad. Okay, I'm not gonna add any salt to it right now because I baked this chicken in the oven and I had it, I marinated overnight. So it's already got some salt in it. Plus there's salt in the mayo here. That's about 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna see how the 6 tablespoons of mayo is gonna work in here. I might have to add some more. We'll see. And I will taste it before I add any more salt to this chicken salad. It's looking good. Let you see it. It's looking real good. I'm gonna add one more heaping tablespoon mayo. So that should do it. And then I'm gonna taste it. Ew, it looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna taste this. It is perfect. No salt needed, okay? So I want you to get used to tasting your food before you add salt to it, just to make sure that you have enough salt in it for your taste, okay? All right. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.